Okay. So next one, beepers and walkie-talkie. Right. Concerning whether the doctor or other emergency medical personnel, for example, Hatzalah members, may wear beepers or walkie-talkie on Shabbos, a halachic authority should be consulted. So basically, they do work. Sometimes it's a little annoying when they put this radio on a full blast, full volume, like it's not right next to it. It's on your belt. You can hear. Why should the whole shul see that you're such a big, great tzaddik? You say like saving people's life, right? Keep yourself a little humble. A little, right? You like don't disturb anybody. Or this sometimes these doctors, like they have a huge cell phone, of course, like iPhone 76 probably, right? The huge one, and they put it on a belt so everybody see that he's with a cell phone. Okay, so even if you're allowed to use this cell phone, right, to carry maybe for medical emergency, so put it in your pocket. You understand why it should be like in everybody's face? And plus this text messages. Baruch Hashem, this doctor, he moved out. Like it's such a big blessing. I pray for some people just stop coming to shul, just stop. And another guy, it worked for one person, for another person, Baruch Hashem, and now it works for one more person that was very annoying, right? And now he had a medical emergency and he moved closer to his daughter, Baruch Hashem. So he's only comes on a weekday. On weekday there is no talking. On Shabbos he's not going to be there, Baruch Hashem. So this doctor, he has the volume on the full blast, and he would get this medical text messages. Maybe I'm guessing that maybe it's those reports, automatic reports about his patient, but he's not going to check. Like he used to sit not too far from me, so he would not check. Like, why do you need this sounds like the whole shul jumping from the sounds of your text message if you're not going to read it anyway? So if you need to read this text message, let's say it's a life and death situation. Let's say just go out to the lobby, to the bathroom, to the outside, to the storage room, to the coat room, to the something room, right, and check, and that's it. Why it should be in everybody's face, right? So Baruch Hashem, but yeah, he moved out, Baruch Hashem. So number 3, so I have another doctor sitting behind me. Does he carry a cell phone? Maybe. Very nicely, never, like, even if it's cell phone, it's a tiny cell phone, like you can see the messages, and he never ever open it on Shabbos, and like if a volume you can do on what is it, and vibrate, you can hear. Okay, so like there is a doctor and there is a doctor.